song room, huge day out.
We play music. I like to be loud.
It actually made me feel like I was making new friends around the schools.
And it makes us feel really proud of ourselves and happy.
It was just nice to see all the schools coming together in one big group.
The Huge Day Out encapsulates everything that we've been doing in the song room for the last 3 years, and it's bringing all these communities together. It's giving context to the learning that we've been doing.
It's about music, and learning rhythms.
You learn a lot of new beats.
We get to play heaps of games.
So far we've done like new ones like Pass the Beat around the room.
We did the rainstorm. We did the popcorn.
One of the powerful parts of the TLC program in schools is giving children the capacity to own their learning within the classroom, to come together and look for a creative, artistic solution to an activity, and they become the composers, they become the creators. So it empowers them within that group environment. If we give the students a box, then we can give them something to think outside of.
I liked working with the other schools and as a big group.
Well, I liked all the games we played and how it was really hands-on and everyone got to go up and do something.
I feel so much more confident in teaching music. Scott comes and helps and will give me feedback, and then I'll be able to put that into my next music lesson and future music lessons that I teach.
I think the strength of the Song Room program is the sustainability of it. This program has had the same person come once a week, and it's over a 3-year period. So teachers then build the confidence, they build all these tools that I'm sure they would continue with it now on their own. Having the Song Room program has broadened the experiences of our students and given them the confidence to go out and do what they choose to do.
This isn't just about music, this is about connection with others, this is about listening to other people's ideas, this is about contributing your own ideas and then putting all that together and making something that's, truly powerful.